best.
Oh hey, I'm just catching some Pokemon. Oh, you want to as well? Well, let's go! So you want to catch Pokemon too? Well, you just need to follow some quick and simple steps. All 93 of them.
So you want to catch, well, you want to go down to your local dollar store and pick up a Pokeball.
There's no better team.
Step 2. So walk out into your local hallway and grab your Pokeball. Now, wait till you see a Pokemon.
There's no better team. Arm in arm we'll be.
So, we lost one of our fellow Pokemon catchers. Well, on to step 3.
So step 3 is to do it over and 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 over and
Step 92. So you've caught a Pokemon. You're already one step ahead of me, us. You gotta catch them all.
I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was. To catch them is my real test. To train them is my cause.